Hello, hi, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In this chapter 9, we will learn zoom tool, hand tool, rotate view tool and artboard. Okay, just go to your Illustrator and here you can find the zoom tool. This is the zoom tool. Okay, with the help of zoom tool, you can zoom in, zoom out your artboard. Okay, like that. Just click, select zoom tool. With the help of shortcut key is Z, or you can press to zoom out or zoom in, Control, Alt and click to zoom in. Okay, with the help of Control plus, without using this tool, we can zoom in and zoom out. Control plus sign or Control minus sign, you can zoom in. Okay, or with the help of Alt key and mouse third button, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, manually. Okay, so this is the zoom key, zoom tool, and hand tool. With the help of hand tool, we can select some if your object is if one of object is or here and you are here like that and you want to go to there, you can simply press here to go, but I don't want to go with the help of this scroll button. So hand tool is very important. Hand tool, with the help of hand tool, you can go from over here. Okay, with the help of this hand tool, you can go anywhere in software of Adobe Illustrator. Okay, and another tool is rotate view tool. With the help of rotate view tool, you can rotate your artboard itself, not your object. You can't rotate your object, but your artboard will be rotated. Just like your artboard will be rotated, not your object. You can't rotate your object with the help of this rotate view tool. Rotate view tool is not using to rotate your object. If you want to rotate your object, just click your rotate tool. This is the rotate tool. You can rotate your object. With the help of rotate view tool, you can rotate your artboard. This is your artboard. Okay. Now I want to explain you what is the artboard. This is the artboard. Okay. If I have some more than 50 of object in my artboard, I want to make another artboard. So just go to your artboard tool and click this artboard tool. I want to extend your artboard area also, and you can make a new artboard from over here, or you can multiple artboard you can work in one page itself. If you want to delete, just simply click this artboard and delete the button, or you can go over here and here is the one option to delete, like that. Here is the option to delete this artboard. Okay. Now another is someone is confused. I want to fill the object with any other color. Okay. So there is two options. One is fill color and another is stroke color. Stroke color means outline. This is the outline. I want to fill the outline color, just red color I want. So if you zoom, this outline will be red color, and I want the inner color or background color will be black color. This is the background color. Just click your object and background color will be, you can choose whatever you want. I want black, fill color will be blue color, and outline will be red color. Okay. And if you confuse or any other, I don't know whatever the color, So simply here is the one option, default fill and stroke. Just click here. So default color is the outline is black and fill color will be white. Okay, so this is very important. If someone is click here and I don't know how to change the fill color, and if you click some object already is the some color is filling, already have a some color, I don't know how to change, just click over here to default color will be applied, or select, zoom in, select everything and click the things. So in this video I have learned some zoom tool, hand tool, rotate view tool, artboard, about the artboard, how to create, how to delete, how to extend your artboard, also how to fill the object color, outline and inner color or background color. Okay, so we will meet you next video. Thank you.